Good morning or good afternoon in my place, or good evening if you're ahead of time. Another week in May the 6th today, and today in our hour of code with software and software, we are going to have some a variety of things that we have to look at still open, and let's quickly go to the code window after the intro. Welcome back for another week. Live coding, Office development, and Blazor, Maui, and Fluent UI, most likely. And some GitHub stuff. Yeah, most of the things are on GitHub these days. So let's quickly go to the code window here. That looks good. Let's first go into GitHub and see what we have over there. Let's go to the official repo where we pushed the pull request last 2 weeks ago, I think. Let's have a quick look at the issues here. Not able to display HTML. This guy had some issues when running the Hello World sample. That's interesting because it's a very simple add-in. Please try again to contact your system administrator. I asked him to provide some steps, but he developed the sample using Visual Studio Outlook web add-ins. After that, I run the sample in my add-ins visible in Outlook while composing email. Now the issue is that when I click on add-ins, it will not display the button and HTML that I specified in my HTML file. Yeah, David already responded on this. You can try clearing cache. You can use runtime logging. Try opening the add-in directly in the browser by going into the task pane HTML. So, because it looks like the server is not running at all. Outlook event-based activation examples are immature. But that's the reason why they are samples. They should not be mature at all. Otherwise it would be a complete application of the sample. Request for Office add-in sample for Blazor with a single sign-on integration. That's something I want to have a look at later on, maybe this week. Cannot sign in with MSALJS pop-up on Safari browser based on samples of Office add-in graph React. I don't have a Mac available, so I can't look into that. Add-in pop-up would not be started. Error 404. It looks like the same as the other one. It's the same message, at least. It had several issues, okay. I have a fix in here. Hopefully this will fix the error. 750. So some odd thing. Maybe we can combine it with the other one. It's going up the certificate apparently. Let's keep that with the good day. Check out my sample. Check out my sample of Excel adding with Blazor and Aspire. Oh yeah, and that's definitely one on my wish list. I think you put the took out the H from the link. Otherwise, it won't be posted in here. Can I approve that? Well, let's have a look quickly, and then I post it in myself. Ugly hack in code because the unfixed bug in OfficeJS this issue. Is that like the routing thing? Oh, is that still the case? That's definitely the one that I wanted to look at today. It's the routing. Because I think that was fixed already. But apparently not if you run into the issue yourself as well. So did you change your navigation for that? See if I can simply clone this and run it. Data repos. Next directory 2024-0506 is today. 2024-0506. Git clone. So I wanted to test drive in this in my Office add-in as well. See if we can put some monitoring in there. Yeah, everything is work in progress, isn't it? My app. Solution, come on. Yeah, there's the one. Oh, you already have this in. I see the side loader, so you already have it in Excel. You're way ahead of me. Working fine in Excel, yeah. Based on your solution, you might need to install extra components for full development experience. Which one are these? Okay. Not sure why it's showing the message there. Yes, routing seems to be an issue. Yes, working fine in Excel. You probably need Visual Studio Preview. Oh, yeah, that's true. Oh, okay. That's problem. Well, it's not so much a problem, but for that I need virtual machines. Bring that in. Oh, and that one is not updated, so that's also of no use. So let me update the machines for next time. So will be on Wednesday, and definitely have a look at this because this is high on my wish list to at least have a look at. 1710. Let's put it on my notes. Where's my notes? There are my notes. Live coding. Where are my live coding notes here? Spire in Excel. So let's have a look at the issue here. That's this one. It is, and it's actually what I noticed. It's also using the Fluent UI for Blazor, and they are teaming up with the Fluent UI team. Is this also the same workaround that you pushed into your code? Because yeah, I also still have this in place in mine. Studio here, so let's close that and have a look at yours on Wednesday. Let's have a look at this. Is the one I was working on last Friday, I think. So that should also have the workaround in place. Unless I completely overwritten that already. Copilot in action. Why are all these windows sticking out here? Snap that to your first star on this project. Probably flood my inbox, but yeah, I'll turn it down later on if it's too much. Yeah, I'm actually quite happy with this. To see this already in place. Yeah, super. I wanted to have a look at this, and where's my issue there? That's someone else. That's you. This one. Posted question on Stack Overflow. Let's see. Oh, come on. What's this? Did it change everything? Stack Overflow. Oh, that's not working. Let's bring up the secret things to be sure. Copy. Why is my thing not working? Come on. Yeah, that's better. Back to the coding window. Why why didn't it open the issue immediately? Oh, it's just referencing to Stack Overflow. It's not the issue at all. Change the title. Change the title of the issue. Thanks for supporting. Blah blah blah. You're back. Indeed, already investigated. That's why I added the workaround for that. Workaround by saving history. That's this one. So where is the post of the solution? This is in the original code. Wants to merge one commit from thing and it's closed. Why is it closed? Need those lines removed, blah blah, and true. Plus, it's not mentioned anywhere that Office nullifies those. It also should not do that at all. All CLI, met, face same issue, face same issue. Find this thread, same issue. This is on the OfficeJS thing, and why is that still on triage? Workaround would be simple to save the original push state. Yeah. Totally is a bug. We agree. We face this issue also. Any update on this? Why is this PR still blocked? Having still issue. Workarounds works. Same thing. This is one from the Office team. OfficeJS bits are not developed and deployed from here in GitHub. No, I know. So this PR would not actually fix the OfficeJS everyone is getting from the CDN. Yeah, that's true. The underlying issue is correctly identified, and I can give a bit of history. The code in question is intended to address a case where some of the runtimes, like Trident in Windows, don't handle Windows history correctly. They interacted badly with Angular stuff. Then blah blah blah. And then the good news: we recently made a fix discussed above. Just removed the overrides. Expect to see roll it out in newest OfficeJS version in about a week or two. And this was February 29. What? That's February 29. Yeah, this year. Using state as a query parameter breaks. Oh, and this is you. Almost 2 years, not fixed, and the PR's closed. Let me copy this one as well, because I recently had contact with this guy. I was asking him about the version information. That's the history, back, issue. So that's interesting. Yeah, I agree. Almost 2 years and not fixed and PR closed. That's bad. That's really bad. Is that a song from Michael Jackson? Maybe it's in the beta channel. File, count. I'm in the beta channel. History cache. Where's my add-in here? Let's close everything. Close all. And cache. Doesn't find a thing. Let's see if I use this. I don't think I use this. Oh, but the reason for that is also that I did not use the normal linking there. Or the navigation, I should say, because I changed my navigation to move to page. Because that's the other option. Because if I create a new Blazor thing here, create a new project, Blazor, come on. Blazor WebAssembly, standalone. Next. Make that 506. New Blazor app 2024 0506. .NET 8, configure HTTPS, including sample pages, yes. Create. Which one was the application that I opened here? It's my own. Is this the Fluent UI one? It's kind of confusing. This is the Fluent UI one. And this is the one that's actually failing, I believe. So let me put this in Notepad. There's my Notepad there. So take the original out from my own project. to the other one. Copy. Paste that in here. And the pages that I have is like, I have the root one. And I don't have the interesting. Why do I have like 4 options in my menu? 5 menu options even? Well, they are not. Oh, they're commented. So I do only have like the root and the bubble chart. So the second one would be bubble chart. And take out the weather here. This one will go to the index, I think. Let's have a look at the other one. Pages. Oh, that's called home. That's in the root. Index. Here. That's also home. So that's without any changes. Make to differentiate this one. Hello, Fluent UI. So let's run this. That should kick in Excel, yes. Now I should get a new menu. That's ugly. Let's miss the CSS for some reason. That's not a navigation menu, is it? This one is running. Oops. Thanks for the follow, Jess XYZ. Thanks for the follow. Appreciate. Let's see if where were we? A little bit distracted as always. So there's no styling in this one. That should not also be. Let's have a look, because I should have 2 menu items. Why is it showing counter here? Oh, I did not change the title, I guess. Let's stop this again. I only changed the URL there. Where is it? Bubble chart. Yeah, there it is. Bubble chart. Not sure why it's not showing the right layout. Oh, yeah, obviously I created a new one. But not based on Blazor. It is based on Blazor, but not on Fluent UI. So let's also open that one. Let's have a look at the menu from. Oh, I probably I have been overriding that. So creating a new one. That would be Blazor Fluent. Fluent WebAssembly, this one. Let's take that in. Blazor Fluent. (2024)5/6, that's today. Next. You're watching on YouTube, but you can also hit the follow over there, subscribe to the channel. HTTPS sample pages, create. Enjoying Fish Studio? Not now. I am enjoying Fish Studio, obviously, but I don't want to give some feedback right now in my live stream. Why would I want to give feedback in a live stream? Layout, nav menu. This one is a different menu, but I think it's based on the same system. Although there's not much code in here. Let's copy all of that in, copy. And Excel. Let's remove all of that. This is the original one that should surface the bug if that's still in there. So let's take the weather out and make this, what was it? Bubble chart. This one, bubble chart, yes, copy. And have the title changed here as well. Bubble chart. And this one is already styled with Fluent UI, so that should also adopt the CSS styling. Save 5. Let's see how that looks. And because it's a small taskbar, we now have the hamburger. Because if I move this all the way, now we get them side by side. That's out of the box of Fluent UI already, so that's nice. Still need to do something with the header and footer. So if I go into bubble chart, it's not working. So that's annoying. It's indeed not still not working. So that would mean that we have to Did you, by the way, let me have a quick check there. Here. So which one is the client here? This one, I guess. Root. Oh, it changed that because it's different. Where did you put the in here? Let me search for that. Copy. Why is that not finding it in here? It's because I selected this one. Which one? Oh, add-in project. This one. Client, I guess. Tap root. No. Where did you put the office thing? The other project? This one? No. Where did you put that? Shared? It's a Blazor web app. Mine is, oh, it's a server side. So it's in the app something. That's the program. What's the startup file for this? Office. Where did it go? Where did you put that? Surprise, surprise. Interesting. None of them is giving this part of the URL. Did you put the URL somewhere? Appraiser. And what's the project? My app add-in. My app add-in is this one. Components maybe? There it is. There it is. So why didn't it find this one? It was not able to find this. That's weird. Why didn't it find it? It's indeed the same kind of code. And what does your menu look like in here? That's in shared, I guess. This is, yeah, search issue in GitHub. Yeah, that's an understatement. Copy. It's a dirty fix. Here you can see that it's already using Fluent as well. Ugly fix. And I'm really not sure why it's not fixed, because the statement was that it was already fixed. This is the Excel, yes, 5. It's still not working. Why is it not working? Come on. That's working. Oh, wait. Because this is, well, this is the index. Let's have a look if it's actually updated. Place a web app instead of WebAssembly. Yeah, but that should not be different, I think. Sources. Where's my index thing? See, this is the one, and this doesn't have the right code yet, so let's reload. This is a caching issue as well. Let's go in here. Now it's in there. Okay, close that. See, it's working. It was a caching issue. There you are. So that's annoying that it's still not in the published information there. Let me quickly put this on secrets and then opening my mail here. Let's see if it's opening on what screen. I do like the solution, however, much better than the one that I actually implemented in my sample, because that's completely reloading the Blazor thing. Where's it putting my Outlook? Come on. Oh, it's on the other screen. So we can put the screen back on. Quickly read something here. Scroll all the way down or up. Which one is it? It's terribly slow loading my Outlook on the other screen. Time is ticking away. Come on. Current channel. And unable to get the latest version of Office desktop apps. So is the current channel, is that more recent than beta? No, if it's in beta, it should also be available. It's apparently did not happen. How annoying is that? typing today. Has it been released to public already? Yeah, that's annoying. But at least it did fix my app a little bit. Where is the... This was one of the things that I had on my schedule for today, to get the menu fixed. This looks quite nice. It's much faster if we compare that to the previous one. Let's have a look if that's still working like this. Yeah. That's nice. Super fast. This is much faster than my previous solution. If I can get that to demo, let's go in here. GitHub, go to my projects there. Just click on here, that will open that as well. Let's pick this one. Samples. And the other way, by the way, that you use the Blazor web app instead of a WebAssembly standalone to avoid the loading circle at startup time. Indeed, the bootload of the Blazor WebAssembly takes some time. So if I also go to my website, www.softsinsoftware, that's a good example to show you the cycle there. And I was indeed thinking that that's no longer necessary to actually use the WebAssembly solution, because the hybrid option allows you still to run your office interop in the client. So that's indeed a good solution. Maybe I should write a second one that's not simple WebAssembly. Go into here, Blazor. This one, and then I need to copy from the root, obviously. Clone the root, I should say. Oh, and that's already in here as well, because it's the same project. Oh, I created a new one, I guess. CD 240506. Don't think you need to disable pre-rendering for interactive components which interacts with Office. Yeah, otherwise it will be running it twice. Well, it tries to run it first on the server, I guess, and that's not working. I guess that's what you mean here. So I need to clone the complete thing there. Yeah, it looks like you're ahead of me on all levels right now. Git clone. Well, I do too. I'm also still learning Blazor, because it's also a relatively new technology, but I already like it much more than Angular or React. It's taking a lot fewer time to get things going. And it's integrated with all the other items as well. As you've seen with the Fluent UI, if you're adding that, you have all the same business look, like Office and the stack that Microsoft is using. If you're building like a personal website, it might be a little bit different, because then you want to probably do some tailoring on your own. There. So go to Office Editing Samples. Office Editing Samples. Samples. Shit, samples. Yeah. CD samples. CD Blazor. CD Excel. Excel Blazor solution. Open that. Yeah, ready. Solution. Well, we just can run this. Wonder if it's all running side by side. Maybe it takes the same ports. Yeah, I think it's using the same port. Oh, it's not. Well, something did not work here. Let's close all these items here. So make sure that if you build these things, that you make your own reference to your points, enter it to your endpoints. Let's close all of this, don't save. Nothing running anymore. What does it say here? Yeah, see, it's already in use. So make sure if you have multiple projects that your port used is a different one. Close all tabs. Now the question is, which Visual Studio is the one that I wanted to run here? I think this one. F5. No, let's stop that. And the great thing with Fluent UI is that the Aspire team is proactively working with them. So things are going fast right now. They even put more effort into the Blazor Fluent UI environment than the other ones. So let's try this again. I think everything is closed now. Oh, that's a biggie. That's an interesting one. Is this my Fluent UI item thing? Because my menu is completely gone. Oh, something happened here. I don't think this is the right one. This is the right one. Oh, maybe my cache is still playing up right now. So let's go into CMD. Well, let's do that a little bit different. Go to local app data. Local app data. Microsoft. Office. 16. WEF. Let's kill that. Let's try again. F5. Would be great to have more interaction between Aspire and the Office team as well. I think it would be nice if there would be more interaction between the Office team and all other teams, even within the Office team. Not sure why this is not properly loading. There it is. It was a cached issue, apparently. So if I click this one now, that will be giving the spinner again because it's completely renewing the Blazor environment again. And that's a bummer because in this case, I used the different navigation option by using the move page instead of the option that I actually put in the GitHub issue that you properly addressed here. That's a much better choice. Navigation Manager is not a good solution because it's slowing down, because first of all you need to inject Navigation Manager, and that should be done automatically. So that actually shows that it's much better. Stop the debugger. I don't want to push in the pull request to change the navigation manager in the original sample, because as it said, it should be solved by the originating source of the issue. I just think it's not released to the public yet. Let's wait for some answer on that level. Let's close all these things a little bit, because I also wanted to have a look at the header footer option. Clean the desk a little bit. I'm really looking forward to Wednesday to have a look at the Aspire option that you created. Oh, I should have kept the Fluent one open. Which one is the Fluent one today? This one? No, that's from this week. Is it this one? No, that's also another one. Let's turn it around. Go to CD data, repos, 2022 40503, I think it was last Friday. The Office add-in samples. Hello Scott, how are you doing today from Denmark? Really looking forward to feedback indeed. Well, I'm really looking forward to see how you solve this, implemented this. Also the by not using the WebAssembly option. How do you pronounce Maarten? Maarten. I think you pronounce Maarten as Maarten. It's a little bit like Martin, then Maarten. Ah. Ah. CD what? CD Office. Oh no, that's not the right one. Office. I'm good, just home from work. I thought you worked at home. Not every day, I guess. Where is a CD samples? Samples. CD Blazor. I wish I could work from home like you. Sometimes it's nice to get into the office though. CD Fluent UI, Fluent UI. There should be an Excel clone. Oh. CD Excel. Yeah. Excel. Solution. That's what I said. I only work from home Fridays. Oh, okay. That's probably also because if you Friday afternoon drink. Oh, I already changed it in the original one. Oh, that's interesting. Even though I cloned it in a different folder, it's still using the same thing. So what's changed in here then? Oh. Let's change the page here as well. To bring the back. Yeah, that should be kept in now. Menu. I think that's much better. But now my main page is probably changed. So that's good. Let's put that into here. Let's run this. Let's see if we can check that in for now. So that will also be on GitHub. This is the WebAssembly thing, way of the loading thing up front. Styling is still a little bit off here, but it is working. What I wanted to do here is have a look at the footer as well. I probably won't make that today. Refresh this. This one has the new menu now and should also be working. Why is there this thing around it. Oh, got something selected apparently. This is already much better. This is not how it should be. Let's have a look at the original one. Let's close that. And go in here. Go to original demo, cd cell. Excel Blazor. Open that as well. Then go into, oh, we are already in there. So if I run this one, this has the old menu. Probably still using the same cache. Yeah, that's messing things up. Like so. This does not fit at all, so that's not nice. But if I move the other menu into here, which one is this? Should put a marker in somewhere. Copy to this one. Do the same in here. And resetting, copy. Oh, by the way, maybe it's not completely true what I said, because I did not change this one over to the right channel. So let's go back to this project here again, and then copy that. No, not copy that, comment that. Not sure if that was commented already. Just to be sure. And now we should put this into beta. Not beat, beta. Beta. Beta, beta, beta. Not sure what the right English pronunciation is on that. They both stopped here. Five. I have to refresh it again because now it's picking up the other cache. Control F5. So, oh, this is actually working. It's actually working. So they did fix it apparently. But it's only available in the beta channel. So let's put that back to 1 again. F5. Come on. Need to clear the cache again. Microsoft Office 16 WEF, delete, yes. Now go back to here. This is running 1 now. F5. F5. Still working. And that's the reason for that. Close this. What? Maybe my index is now not picking the right one. Definitely need to clear the cache probably. These are the things that make it confusing. Close this. Run. That continues working again. So probably I was using the old OfficeJS version still. Let's try one more time. Don't save. And then go in. Well, it should do the F5 again. It's annoying if you try to debug something and then it's still caching some things, making it work again. Inspect, let's clear all the caches here. Application, local storage. Clear that. Clear that. Yeah, but I'm now not sure if it's actually fixed or if it's not fixed. Because I now tried to get back to the situation where it was not running. Let's go kick the cache out again. Local app data. Microsoft Office 16 WEF. Delete that. How's that? Now let's try running this again. See, now it stopped working. And this is by using the version 1 there. So now let's try this again with the beta channel. Yeah, sometimes you should also clean the Edge and Chrome thing, and that's indeed what I just did. And now it's back to not working again. Type beta again. Beta. Save. F5. Not sure why it still keeps selecting the first title there. So this is now not working, but if I now go into do the same thing again, first in here, inspect, and go to application, local storage, clear, local storage, session storage, clear all the site data there. Like so, don't save, and go in here again. Local app data. Microsoft Office 16 WEF. There you go. F5. That should now give the beta version. Now it's not working. Go in here, inspect. Let's see what the index file is showing. That's showing beta. App for Office. Still not working? It did work just a minute ago, did it? This is really annoying. This is the beta version. This is really annoying. I thought it was just working. Maybe I have to look back my stream because I'm now highly in doubt. See if it's actually working or not. Because now my menu is not returning. Let's maybe clear the solution here. It's now set to beta. Building. Oh, it's still not working. Come on, guys. I think it used the cached index or something like that. So if I enable this one again. Uncomment and put these two back. Save. I probably need to refresh the cache again. Now it works again. How annoying is this? So let's find out and get a confirmation from this Microsoft guy to see if it's in public already. Looks like it's not, but I guess it took my cached index in here. So if I go in inspect here, it would now be showing the right one. Where there? Content. Where's my index? I lost my index here now. It's not even showing my index at this time. Interesting. Oh, because it's on this page. Home. Now it's showing the index. This is a different index. It's not showing the index.html. Where's my root folder? Well, never mind for now. My time is up. I do have to check it again once more. This is now still working. Yeah, the caching things remains to be an issue all over the place every time again. Go back in here. So at least what we did get solved was the getting the menu loading properly between both entries without doing the complete loading cycle, bring in a new instance of Blazor. So that's a big improvement. I'm also happy to see that that Ruko created an instance already with Aspire. So let's have a look at that on next Wednesday, because I need to update my preview Studio for that. Yeah, excellent. I think big progress for this small hour of coding. Thanks for everyone for watching. I'm breaking my tongue here. Don't forget to subscribe and follow and whatnot on Twitch and on YouTube if you haven't done already. Today, thanks Josh for following on Twitch, at least. I can't see actually who is following on YouTube right now on this stream. Thanks everyone, and hope to see you next Wednesday. Thank you and goodbye. Bye bye.